Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to show you some great phone applications to create text-based designs for print-on-demand business. And believe me, text-based designs sell very well and they are highly demanded in all POD platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, Merch, Amazon, and so on. And just by using your smartphone, you can create your awesome designs without any need to any laptop or desktop computer, just by using your phone. Thus, you have no excuses to create your awesome designs and speak up for your creativity and your passion and start making money from print-on-demand business. Given to that, you can create your beautiful designs on the go. You can create your designs wherever you are, on the bed, in the transportation means, and so on. And now let's jump to my phone to get to know these wonderful applications. Let's go. And here we are. And you have to know, on speaking about print-on-demand business, you have to create your designs with a transparent background. So first of all, we have to create a transparent background that you can use in the following wonderful applications, okay? And there are two applications to create our transparent background. The first one is Pixel Lab, and the second one is PixArt. And we're gonna make it fast. So we go to the first one, Pixel Lab, okay? Super easy. Just to go to squares, select transparent background. As you see, just remove this text, perfect, okay, and go to save this image to your gallery as transparent background, okay. And for the second application, PixArt, just click over that to get our transparent background. Very easy. After sign up PixArt with your email or Gmail account, just to go to this plus icon to create our transparent background, okay. And then on this page, just go all the way down to color backgrounds, choose a transparent one, as you see. Then just save it to your gallery from this arrow, okay. Save this one. Okay, and the first application I will talk about in this video is Type Image. And frankly speaking, Type Image is the best application I have ever found on Google Play due to its simplicity and splendor for creating text-based designs without any effort, with no time, okay. So click over this icon, Type Image. And here on the home page of Type Image application, just go to this picture icon to upload our transparent backgrounds that we have downloaded from PixArt or Pixel Lab. Okay, from my gallery. Okay, double click on this text, and here you can put your saying, your code to create your text-based design. Okay, just remove this author name, and here we can type any code. For example, I love my dog and my book. Okay, for example, just done. And here you will find below some editing tools, some features, some effects that you can add to your text, as this a letter for style, to add any style, to add typography style for your code, for your text design. Okay, as you see here, a lot of styles, beautiful styles. And here you can, on the same option, you can click more times to get more shapes, as you see. Okay, to the right. Okay, more clicks to get more styles, to find the favorite one. Okay, as you see, and so on and so forth. And here you will find some few premium styles that if you want to get them, you have to buy this application just for $5. Okay, the next option, or the next effect for color, here you can add some colors to your text. As you see here, some texture, and here you will find some color palettes. They are free, as here. In the same color palette you can click more times to get your favorite coordinated colors. Okay, as you see. Okay, perfect. You can just hold on this text. You can move any part of your text individually, and of course you can change its color as well. You can change this part from red to orange, for example. Okay, and so on. Just done. And by this application you can make hundreds designs in 1 minute. And when you're happy with this result, with this design, just to go to this arrow to download your design with transparent background. PNG format, medium dimensions, because you are free user. Save to photo gallery. That's it. Okay, so the first application today is type image. Second one is CT design. So click over this icon, just click somewhere, go to gallery to upload our transparent background as we have done with the previous application. Okay, then click continue, tap twice on the text to edit, and here you can put our code, our scene to create our text design. Okay, we can make it as previous one. I love my dog, for example. Okay, okay, and here below you will find some effects like style, just back, or font. We can change this font for English fonts. As you see here, a bunch of beautiful fonts like this one. Size, we can make this text bigger or smaller, as you see here. Perfect. Just back. For color, you can change its color from black to green or orange or red and so on. Okay, as you see, back. And when you are done, just go to this book icon, save photo, PNG recommended, save photo. And the next application is Canva application. And of course, we all know Canva app for creating professional posts, for creating designs. And if you're a free Canva user, just you can download your designs with a colored background. So you have to use some websites to remove the background of your designs like Slazzer.com or remove.pg. And for sure, I have talked about that topic in a video, and I have showed some great websites that remove the background of your designs for free and unbelievably. And I will leave the link of this video below in the first comment. Okay, the next application is Vista Create. And of course, Vista Create is like Canva in many features, in many tools. And there is one thing you have to know. If you use Vista Create in the web version, you can download your design with a transparent background. However, in the application version, this feature is not allowed. Okay, so as I said before, for Canva application, just you can use some websites to remove the background of your designs. Okay, and the last applications is Text on Photo and Word Swag. Very easy applications to create your designs, your text-based designs, and you can check it out yourself. Okay, and now download these applications and create your text designs and start making them online from print on demand business. And now we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.